Hello, everyone. Let us learn how to use some product function using this small example here. This, as you can see, there's a list of subjects given, and the credits, that is the total credits of 14, which is distributed across 5 different subjects, that is given, and the credit weightage is also given. This is nothing but 4 divided by 14 and 3 divided by 14 and those percentages. So the grade point average is the score, that is the GPA that is earned by the student in each of these subjects is given. So here we need to calculate the CGPA, what is called as cumulative grade point average. This is calculated by multiplying 4 into 29, 29% into 9.5, 29% into 7.5, 21% into 6, and so on and so forth. So we need to multiply each of them separately. So ideally what we would do is, the way we are working is, we will multiply both of them, right? And take it here, take the total, and then take the sum of them, right? So this is basically CGPA. So if you notice what I did, I multiplied the credit weightage, that is this percentage, with the grade point average, and copied that and took the sum of that. So this whole process of multiplying one column with the another column with the corresponding values and taking the sum of that, okay, so can be done using the function SUMPRODUCT, right? So let me just demonstrate that to you. SUMPRODUCT is the function name, and it is asking for array 1, array 2. So by the way, it's not just 2 columns. Even when you have multiple columns, okay, more than 2 columns, you can keep on giving, and it will correspondingly multiply and add all of them. So here array 1 for me is this, okay, so it will take those 5 values, multiply with the corresponding 5 values of array 2, which is E5 to E9, close the bracket, enter, and you have your CGPA given here. All right, that is basically the SUMPRODUCT function. The file is being given in the description, so please download and practice. Thank you for watching.